you're ever in Miami and you need some tires, you never know who might see this video. I mean, most of the people who watch my videos are not from Miami, but if you're ever in Miami, you can look up Tire World Incorporation. They're taking care of the tire for me. Actually, all I needed was to get it patched, actually, and they're doing it for me right now. Taking care of everything for me here. I have a messed up stud here. They might end up fixing that for me too. So here's the shop here, really nice. Just get you guys a little bit of a view of the shop here. When you go deeper in here, you'll see a variety of tires in here. All the way in the back there. Insane amount of tires. Really nice shop here. Looks like they got this whole entire building here. You can sit inside, and yeah, pretty nice. And there's the whole family right there up there. Really nice. They got Mickey Thompson tires, balances. They do everything here, man. It's really nice. Got a car leaving here right now. There's a Cruze being worked on. I'm pleased. I'll drive it up. Off the ramp here. We're parked. Alright, so they just agreed to do the end links for me because I don't really have time to do it and it's pretty hot outside. That's them recording it. So I'm just leaving the shop here. They did my tire for me. I got rid of that stud. Well, I am going to come back for the Bad News Racing end links because I'm going to need that, and I can't do it alone, especially like trying to like do it by myself outside and stuff like that. I think so. Yeah, God has really blessed me, man, and it's just been crazy for the past few days. I have been going on a journey personally right now with God and everything, and I don't want to push anything on you guys. God has changed my life, and things just have been just working out. My life has turned around, man, and like I just can't really explain it. I just wanted to let you guys know that whatever you got going on in your life, man, just take it up to the Lord, man. One lug nut. Gotta put it on the car now. And there's the wing. Lug nut with me, so I'm gonna put it on right now. Brand new lug nut, never got a chance to put it on. Let's do it. Let's do it. And I stopped to test fit the wing here, and the last time I had this wing on here, the car wasn't wrapped, the trunk wasn't wrapped. So I'm gonna walk over here to the car real fast and show you guys what I've been doing right here. The only wing that really makes sense for this car the way it looks right now. It's not too wide, it's not too high. I do like the other wing, but it just didn't look right in certain angles. It didn't look good to me in person from certain angles. It seemed like it was just something that didn't fit that bubbly look that it has.
It was awesome. I really enjoyed it.
Yeah.
But I was missing too much in my family.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like it.
Thank you, man. I still got some stuff to do here. I did this for like a tutorial just to show how to wrap that. So I'm gonna do that over.
Yeah, if you ever put a wing in the back, it's a front wheel drive, right?
Yeah.
I always laugh at that because that 20 pounds of air pressure at 100 miles an hour, it's like 300 pounds. And you got front wheel drive, it lifts the front and up of the ground. So that's where your traction is. You want the back to stick, but you also want your front to stick.
Okay.
And if you have that, you gotta make sure that wing is the right wing. What they call it, you gotta make sure the degrees are not like this, because then it's like an air brake.
Yeah.
Like this, it's pushing down. It's gotta be like the right.
It's
You
gotta be
can
the
adjust it to how much more you want, less you want.
Yeah.
People don't realize how technical racing is.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, if you ever get the chance where the Huns get that whiplash, boy, fuck you up.
Yeah.
We had drivers, one of our drivers, a small prototype, inside Light's car. He blew the motor and kept driving it. And people, they were flying red flag and he just kept going. A rich guy, he don't fucking know shit. And he pulled up like 200 yards from the firemen. And then he tried to get out, never hit the fire extinguisher, tried to get out and got stuck. And he started burning. He got all fucking burned.
Oh man.
I was the one supposed to, I had to clean the car.
Oh man.
Yeah, freaking, it was carbon fiber, once it gets, never shits off. It fucking burns.
Oh, so once it gets ignited.
It's like a fucking match.
Oh man.
He had like 9 Corvettes. I used to work, he was a pain in the ass. But I used to work on club events for him.
Yeah.
And then Performance Tech Motorsport. They still do the club racing. They do prototype.
Yeah, that's right.
You know, blow it up. They don't give a shit. I don't think the only one we blew is that one that idiot. They got burned really bad, and none of the other ones ever blew up.
Yeah.
And we fucking ran the fuck out of those little engines.
So the 4 liters, you gotta what do you gotta do the most to keep them
Change the oil.
going? Change the oil.
But not just change the oil. You know, get the real oil.
Yeah, you gotta get. I don't want to be too long here. As you look at the car from this angle, it looks like the wing actually goes with the car this time. Doesn't look that ugly on it, and it actually matches the carbon fiber hood. This is a real carbon fiber on here, so it goes. Like, let me go across the street here. It's pretty hot out here, but from far. Just like that spoiler that's passing by right there, that's a Honda. Spoiler that's passing by right there, that's a Honda. Usually the riser stands are on the outside of the trunk, not the inside in the middle. And that's my biggest issue with these spoilers, that on the Cruze, you're not going to be able to get, well, you can do it, but the trunk tapers off down this way, because this spoiler seems to fit it better. Here my vinyl wrap is starting to peel a little bit here. I did this in 2 pieces, starting to like rise up a little bit from the sun, but that's okay. I can just do it over. As you can see here at the bottom, you could just screw it. I would rather have the spoiler be a little bit lower, sit lower on the trunk, but I would have to get some more riser stands to do that. So yeah, that's what I'm working with. You know, this is what the car looks like from behind, with all the stickers and all the you know, the modifications on the back. It looks pretty decent, and to tell you the truth, it looks really good with that low squatting stance. Now here's my thing: when you start to get to the sides of it and the front angle of the car, it starts to look a little bit weird, just because of that front end tapering down a little bit. I mean, it doesn't look that bad. It doesn't look as bad as the other spoiler looked on it. So yeah, this is how it looks. One of our friends are driving by right now. So yeah, that's how the spoiler looks on the car. What do you guys think, and what are your thoughts on it? I haven't been doing anything on the car for a while because I'm trying to just take some time for family and stuff like that, man. And don't idolize your car, man. You got to step back. I take a lot of joy in doing this, but I'm not going to make it my idol, you know? So yeah, as far as the spoiler looks, I think I'm gonna have to go back to this wing. I do want to do like some fender flares, but I don't know, man. I mean, the back of this car looks nice without fender flares. See that? I'm gonna go to the street. That sounds amazing. All right, I appreciate you guys sticking in there and hanging on and watching the stuff I bring out. But even though I haven't done a lot of driving or anything like that, but yeah, I mean, I am a dad, so I have to I have to take care of my kids and stuff. So I'm not out here going crazy, but one of these days I will be. I'll be ready. I'm just starting. Like the little spoiler I was working on, this little RS spoiler. I put like a little acrylic sheet on the back. So what I did was I put some rivets in here, and the rivets I put were big. I shouldn't have put these rivets, they're too big, but you could put small rivets in your RS spoiler. So yeah, that's how it looks with that spoiler. You can barely see it because the acrylic, but I pretty much like it. It looks cool. From far away, actually, it looks like it belongs on the car. I'm gonna back it up a little bit here for you guys who want to see how it looks. It looks clean. It actually looks a little clean. I might end up putting this on here and throwing some stickers on it. I might throw some stickers on the spoiler itself. And guys, let me know. Do you like the wing, or you like RS spoiler with this little thing I did here? Put some acrylic on there. It didn't go all the way around because when I ordered the piece, it wasn't long enough, so I just stopped it somewhere in the middle. So yeah, that's what it's looking like right there. Or I'll order another acrylic sheet and probably order it longer and try to hack it up some kind of way to go on this RS spoiler. And cause it looks weird, like, because it's not all the way on there. You see?